What's up, world? Welcome back to another video. We have another dirty vehicle today that belongs to Who Rescued Who, which is a non-profit rescue. But we're going to clean this thing up. But first, I want you to meet our special guest, Christina Walsh with Who Rescued Who. She's going to tell you a little more about the non-profit.
Hi, I'm the director. We started about three or so years ago. We are foster based out of Montgomery, Texas. We pull animals from our local shelter and around the community. This is Dante. He's available for adoption. We just pulled him in from, he was found on the streets of Houston.
That's great information. I love little Dante. He is available for adoption, just like Christina said. So Christina, how do people donate?
You can find us online at www.whorescued2.us, or you can look us up on Facebook, keyword @adopt.wrw. You can send us a message on there and reach out if you're interested in fostering or adopting or making a donation, because that's how we are able to continue saving dogs.
All right, so let's dive in to see what our job consists of. Oh, she didn't take the crate out like I asked her to. Good thing she's my sister. No harm done. I love her. But, so she carries around, like, how many dogs can you handle in here? Like 4? Okay, that's too broad, whatever. So, obviously she carries a lot in here. You see all the dog hair. There's probably pee in here. There's no telling. She's got scuffs right here that we're gonna try to get out. We're gonna get this thing protected. Do Ceramic Pro textile here. And then if we come over here, check out the back seat. She also has 2 kids who are messing back here, as you can see. So our job today is going to be actually the person holding the camera right behind you. That's my wife. She's gonna be handling this because I gotta start prepping another truck for another video. So stay tuned on this because the results are gonna be mind-blowing. We're gonna protect with Ceramic Pro on the interior, and I might hook her up on the exterior. So enjoy. Later, this flex is finally clean. We did a steam clean, vacuum, cleaned out all the crevices, got all the dog hair out. Then we topped it off with Ceramic Pro 9H on the plastics, the leather seats. So she is finally protected now for dog transports that she hauls or even other dogs that she carries. So check it out. So you remember how black the seats were? Now they came out really clean. They're back to its normal color. It's been a while since this thing was cleaned, so she was like, oh, that's the normal color. Well, yeah, it is. But anyways, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video also, give us a thumbs up. I'm Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one cutting at a time. Don't buy.
Don't shop, adopt.
Adopt.